Locksmith Mikey picked the wrong guy to try to sell a spare key.
Okay.
I have 3 keys in fact.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Hi.
Hello. How are you, sir?
I'm alright. Could
Mike.
be better, but yeah.
Just say, thanks God, it's just a key.
Yeah,
Could be a
that's good.
crash, could be engine problem, could be electrical problem.
Yeah.
Just a key. At least you know what is the solution.
Right.
Yeah. So, let me work on it.
Alright, thank you.
Is it lock or unlock?
It's locked right now.
Okay. I'm gonna help you.
Alright. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, let me do it and get it done.
Yeah. Get it done.
You want a key too? Huh? Why not?
Why not do it extra?
Yeah, he can keep a key for me.
Do you have spare key?
Yeah, I always have.
You have?
Probably start with my phone.
If you lost your key, you cannot to start it.
I have another.
Okay.
I have 3 keys in fact.
Oh, that's good. That's
I
good.
always have 3 keys.
That's good.
You got a mobile thing here, man.
Huh?
You
Yeah.
have a mobile setup here.
Yeah.
That's nice.
It is.
So my truck.
Yeah, but you see the guy working comfort here, man. Look, he's in the office.
Yeah. This is my everything here, man.
That's it. But you make it. How much the board?
City 99.5 WHTV.
How fast I am, right?
Hey, you have business card?
Yeah, yeah. I will give you. There you go. That's it. I need your signature here.
Anywhere?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Alright, my friend. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. This is our business card.
Alright.